Once everything is taken out of the box, this is what your knee walker will look like. Engaging the steering column. Open the steering column to its upright position and push the lever at the front of the knee walker base upward. Pull the clamp lever down to secure it in place. If loose, disengage the lever and turn it clockwise to tighten. Adjusting the handlebars. Unscrew the black knob and remove it from the steering column. Adjust the handlebars to a height that is comfortable for you and reinsert the black knob by turning it clockwise. Inserting the knee rest. Please note that the knee rest should be offset towards your good leg. This makes the knee walker easier to use and ensures your good leg won't hit the wheels. Insert the knee rest into the base and engage the locking pin through the holes. Then the secondary clamp should be engaged. If the clamp is too loose, hold the nut and turn the clamp clockwise. Using the brakes. The brake lever engages both back wheels. To use, pull up. To lock the brakes in place, push the brake down. To release the brake lock, pull the brake lever up again. Inserting the basket. Slide the basket over the top two hooks first, then the bottom hook. Collapsing your knee walker. Pull the clamp lever up and push the lever down. Pull in the lever and gently fold the handlebars down. Thanks for taking the time to watch this Knee Walker Central video. Please feel free to contact us anytime with questions. We are here to help.